Guys, what is up? My name is Jay and welcome to another video. And today guys, it is Bonfire night. Hang on. It is Bonfire night. And it is a brilliant night. It is on the 5th of November each year. On the 5th. And this is what fireworks. They're amazing. They're stunning. If you don't celebrate Bonfire night, but then if you don't, then you know, if you don't celebrate it, then okay. I don't mind that. I don't mind who celebrates it or who doesn't. Fireworks are amazing, but just be careful. Be very careful, because all this can cause damage. So when you're out there on a street, so make sure you're with an adult or anything like that. Make sure that you are with an adult, because they can cause a lot of damage. And as I say, they are such beautiful things, fireworks. I love them. Absolutely brilliant. But stay safe, everybody. Stay safe. Anyway, guys, and thank you guys all very much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video, guys. Happy Bonfire night.